In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're reviewing documents, preparing reports, or simply wanting to keep track of your thoughts while reading, annotating PDFs is a valuable skill to have. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding and can easily apply these techniques on your own files. To get started, first open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have Adobe Acrobat open, you can do this by clicking File in the top left corner, selecting Open, and then navigating to the location of your PDF file. It's important to ensure you're using Adobe Acrobat so you can access all the annotation tools we'll be discussing. With your file now open, take a look at the toolbar, or perhaps the side panel where you'll find the Comment tool. This is your gateway to adding highlights, notes, and other annotations. Once you're ready to annotate, click on the highlight icon within this Comment toolbar. This tool will allow you to visually distinguish important sections of the text, making it easier to refer back to later. Before you start highlighting, you might want to choose a specific color that suits your needs. To do this, look for the color options in the toolbar. Selecting a distinct color can be particularly useful if you plan on categorizing information by topic, importance, or even urgency. Having a color coding system can drastically improve the efficiency of your reviews. Now that you've selected your preferred color, click and hold the mouse button to drag over the text you wish to highlight. This action will apply the highlight instantly, making it clear which sections you've marked for attention. Remember, you can always click again to undo if you've made an error or changed your mind about a highlight. Next, let's add some comments. Click on the comment button located in the same toolbar. Adding comments is a great way to include additional thoughts, explanations, or questions directly in the document itself. This is especially helpful if you need to send the document to colleagues or team members and want to ensure clarity. Decide where in the document you want your comment to appear, then click at that point. A text box will pop up, allowing you to input your thoughts. Type your comment within this box. When you've finished and are satisfied with what you've written, simply click Post to save it. This will embed your comment directly into the PDF, ready for review by others, or for you to revisit later. There you have it. A straightforward guide to annotating your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're highlighting key points or jotting down important comments, mastering this feature will surely enhance your document review process. Happy annotating!